back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video today. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if it's not your first time here, make sure you still hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Duh. But anyway, okay, so today you guys, I got a wig, and it is from Aisi hair. I'm not for sure how you pronounce it or whatever. I purchased this wig from Amazon. It was very affordable. It was only $17.99, I think, and the shipping was amazing because it did come from Amazon, so it only took like maybe 3 days at the max. And this is a long 30-inch wig. Yes, this is a like long stripper wig or something like that. Like, I'm not really a fan of the long hair, but it is a cute wig, you guys. The first thing in this pack is a how to wear hair and how to wash hair card. And it's just telling you how to take care of your wig and so on. Also, they did put in the bag a wig cap. Okay, and let's get down to this wig. Y'all, look. It's super long. Like, oh my god. I've never had a wig this long, so I really don't know how this is gonna look. But I mean, as you can see, it is super duper long. So it does have a little piece of lace right here in the front where the part is, you guys. And then it also has, let's see how many combs. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, 2 combs in the front right here. And then it has a comb right here in the back. And then it also has their tag on the back, and it is in the color R2 118, which is like a wine burgundy color. So I'm just gonna get right into this wig. Take this bad boy off, okay? And I do have a stocking cap on. Yeah, don't judge me, okay? I didn't braid my hair, because yeah, I wasn't in the mood to braid my hair today. But we're gonna put it on. Let me see if I can take this little thing off without getting the scissors, because I don't feel like looking for the scissors. Oh, and it came right on off. Okay, so here we go, y'all. Finna put this bad boy on. Okay, I am back. As you can see, I did put some concealer on the part, and I did pluck it just a little bit. As you can see, it's not glued down. You can tighten this up with the adjustable strap in the back. And you can see this is a cute wig. Like, I'm really loving this long hair right now. Only thing about long hair is that it's long synthetic hair is that it will kind of tangle just a little bit. But I mean, that's expected when you have synthetic hair. And after I did pluck it, it did shed a little bit. But I mean, what long hair does not shed? But this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm loving this wig right now. I think I'm starting to like long hair like this. But yes, it's long, y'all. Super long. I will leave the link and the description of this wig in the description box down below, so you can check it out if you are looking for a wig like this, y'all. But yes, your girl is loving this wig right now. Like, yes, honey, yes. Yes, yes. You can't even see my earrings. It's so long, y'all. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you will be notified when I make more videos. And as always, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.